mix it up. We're gonna whisk it up.
Oh, I think I broke the level.
Oh, I don't think. Oh, it moved. The bubble moved. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys a simple and easy recipe for blueberry muffins. Now as always, this is 100% refined sugar free and there's even some hidden oats in there for some extra complex carbs. Alright, let's get started. The first step to making our blueberry muffins are to mix up all of our wet ingredients. So for this recipe, we're going to be using almond milk, maple syrup, coconut oil, 1 egg, and vanilla extract. Let's mix it all together. Try to make sure that none of your individual ingredients are cold because that's going to cause our coconut oil to curdle and then you won't be able to get a smooth mixture. The next step is to mix up all of our dry ingredients. So here in a glass bowl, I already have my old-fashioned oats. And to that, I'm going to add my whole wheat flour, baking powder, cinnamon for some extra spice, and salt. Once again, we're just going to whisk it up. Now we're going to add wet to dry and combine. Now as you can see, our mixture is a bit watery, so we're gonna let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so our oats can fully soak up all of the wet ingredients and our batter will become thicker. Now that our batter has thickened up, we're gonna fold in our blueberries. Now remember, you don't wanna use a stand mixer when you're dealing with fruit because they're really, really fragile and you don't wanna pop them while you're trying to combine. Now we're going to start scooping our batter into our cupcake tins. Now don't be afraid to fill each tin all the way to the top because these don't rise too much. Now we're going to bake these in our oven at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Recipe at home, I'm going to be linking the exact description. Alright, and here is our finished result. These delicious and healthy blueberry muffins not only double as a dessert, but also as a snack or even a breakfast treat. Now if you want to make this recipe at home, I'm going to be linking the exact ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Now don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to like and subscribe as well as ring that notification bell so you don't miss any one of my delicious dessert recipes. But bye guys!